Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change a Reddit username. So basically the truth is that Reddit does not generally allow you to change your username once it has been created. However, there's one exception if you sign up with Google or Apple accounts. So if you just created a Reddit just this year, let me clarify that just this year via Google or Apple, you may be prompted to choose a custom username. You should see this one. If you open the Reddit application, you will see prompt, would you like to change your username? Tap change username. Enter your desired username, must be unique. Tap continue. Tap save username to confirm. You can only do this once after saving, it's permanent. Now, this method is not available if you already choose a username even years ago. Reddit does not let you change it. Your options are you have to create a new account. So basically, go to reddit.com or open the application, tap sign up, choose to register with email, Google, or Apple, and set your desired username during the setup. Now, talking about how to switch between Reddit accounts, just tap your profile, tap the drop down arrow next to your username, tap add account, or switch to another login account. So, a pro tip if you want to preserve your Karma posts and Reddit history, Reddit doesn't provide a migration option. You'll need to start fresh or keep your old account active for looking or references. And that's the truth. So, you must be careful when it comes to creating a Reddit, review your display name, review your username before creating one. So I really hope that this video helped you. This is not to mislead you. This is just to inform you that you can only change a Reddit username once, and it's possible if you just created your Reddit username. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.